Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you recover your My Eyes Only deleted snaps in Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is that simply search for Snapchat support and open the official website. Now scroll down and click on Contact Us. Now from here, you very simply have to select the option that says I need help with the Snapchat feature. Then again scroll down and click on the option that says Memories. Now click on Yes. From here, again click on Using My Eyes Only. So now you again have to scroll down and click on Yes. So now from here, you have to enter your username, your email, and a description that briefly describes your issue. Like for example, you can write that I lost my eyes only snaps in Snapchat. I need to recover it. Please help Team Snapchat. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.